Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Zoom G2X Four and getting signal chain right. Insert 4 AA batteries or plug a 9V DC adapter. Make sure it's center negative. Plug your guitar into input and the amp into the output jack labeled L/TS or OUT so levels route correctly. Once done, turn the unit on and select a preset with the foot switch or knob. This gives you a baseline patch to modify rather than starting from silence. Make sure volume trims are low before testing. You'll now shape the sound by editing the effect chain. Press Edit and move the cursor to pick a block slot. Choose an effect type and then adjust parameters like gain, tone, time, and mix so you hear the change. Once done, use TAP to set delay tempo in real time and reorder blocks to place drive before modulation or reverb last. Why? Because order affects character and clarity. Make sure to save edits to a preset so you don't lose your setup. Finish by saving your tone and testing it in context. Press right to store changes to the chosen slot. Choose overwrite or a new location to keep options. Practice with headphones via the phone's jack or connect an audio source to AUX in for backing tracks. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting approach. Mute and check cables, confirm battery or adapter voltage, verify output routing and amp input, and restart the unit. That sequence isolates the most common faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.